My name is Blessing Fire. I was born in 1989. I'm the youngest in the family of 9.
I born Blessing at 10 o'clock. I cried the whole day. Me and my husband, we didn't talk together. We were looking Blessing and we were crying. Another nurse came with me. She said, no, it is a gift from God, don't cry. Nobody know that Blessing is disabled. I don't want anybody to see her except my relatives only. I was shy. When I want to bath Blessing, I don't want someone to see her, I hide it.
I remember some kids, they were making a little fun. They were looking at my shoes, they were different from everybody else because I used to wear shoes with a metal thing and I kind of woke up with one leg straight and the other leg would bend. So everybody was like, who walks like that? And who is this guy? So that caused a lot of anger inside me and it gave me a lot of fear to be with people. One of the doctors from CRIU, they found donors do operation for children with disability. On my right knee, they actually put a metal pin. My foot used to get tired very easily, so I would use my hands to walk on a handstand or do cartwheels whenever I want to get to another point. And I remember my brother was a gymnast. He's the one who came up with the whole idea of me walking on my hands. He said, can you try a handstand? So when I tried to do a handstand, I just found myself going down on my elbow and I went on the other elbow and my legs were just up. So I just began to do tricks with my hands. When I was 14 years old, my brother introduced me into dance.
I was worried, but he comforted me. He said, Mama, don't worry. Because I said, your feet are not fit to dance. One is 3 toes. Another one is 2 toes only. Another leg gave a pin. So, Blessing, why are you doing this? He said, Mama, don't worry.
These new friends that I met when I started dancing, they really impacted my life because I was very shy because I grew up with a lot of fear just to be with people or to talk or to say anything. I remember the first friend, he actually took me to his house to be with family. And for me, that was something that has never happened in my life before. It gave me confidence. Some of the guys who were already dancing before, they saw my brother and they were like, can you come up back and dance again with your brother? So we went in for our first dance auditions. We just met up with these guys. It's like we've never practiced together before. And we just came up with something when we were by the door. And we auditioned there in front of the judges. And we came out like one of the best crew. They liked it, everything that we did that day. It was awesome.
I think the first time when I saw Blessing, we're doing a show. I see this group, they're inmates. And I was like, this is incredible. This guy needs to be taken to the world. The world needs to see this art because he's art in the making. People struggle just to do that and have to get that ability to implement those moves, and he's just doing it with ease. And I'm like, bro, you are setting the pack, you are setting the trend for what you do.
I think out of my disability, I found a unique ability.
There's nobody that can do what this guy can do.
Oh Lord, I think you give me that sun for me to see something which is not seen in my life.